In today's video, I'll be showing you a complete beginner's guide to Paperform and everything you need to know to get started, from creating your account to building and customizing your very first online form. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to create forms, add questions, customize the design, collect responses, and share your form with others. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser, search Paperform, and go to their official website. Before we begin, let's quickly talk about what Paperform is. Paperform is an online form builder that allows users to create professional forms, surveys, questionnaire, registration form, payment forms, and much more. One of the things that make Paperforms unique is its document-style editor, which makes form creation feel similar to editing a document rather than building a traditional form. This makes it easy for beginners while still offering powerful customization options for advanced users. All you have to do to get started is press the yellow button here. Once you've signed in your account, you'll arrive at the dashboard. This is where you can create forms, access existing forms, and manage your projects. Now let's start creating a form. To create a new form, click this yellow button, Create a Form. Paperforms offers several ways to start. You can create a blank form from scratch or choose from one of their pre-made templates. For beginners, templates can save a lot of time since many of the form elements are already set up for you. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll create a blank form so you can learn from the basics. Select Start from Scratch. Once your form is created, you'll be taken to the editor. At first glance, you'll notice that it looks more like a document than a traditional form builder. At the top, you can enter the title for your form. So, let's type our sample title here. Customer Feedback Form. Below the title, you can add a description to provide additional information for your users. The editor allows you to type directly onto the page and insert different types of field wherever you need them. Now, let's add some questions to our form. To insert form fields, type a slash or click the Add Field option. You'll see different field types available. Paperform provides a wide variety of type fields to collect different kinds of information. For example, let's make a short field answer and ask for the respondent's name. And simply click here to add another question. Let's try email address. This is useful because Paperform can automatically validate email addresses, helping ensure accurate submissions. And let's try another one. For a multiple choice question, how satisfied are you with our service? Now that you already have questions in your form, let's try customizing our questions. Each question in Paperform can be customized according to your needs. Go to Field Settings, and as you can see here, you can edit the question text, change field settings, make questions required, and add placeholder text to guide respondents. One of Paperform's strongest features is its design flexibility. To customize your form's appearance, open the Design section. From here, you can change colors, fonts, layouts, backgrounds, and other visual elements. Now let's try changing our form's background color, text color, and font. You can also switch from classical form to one-at-a-time form. This is where each questions appear one at a time. You can also access typography, UI elements, custom CSS, and translations, or more advanced design options. A professional design can improve the user experience and make your form more engaging. And now, this is your form before and after customizing. This allows you to match your form with your brand or preferred style. If you're creating forms for clients, branding customization can help create a more professional appearance. Before publishing your form, it is always a good idea to preview it. The preview mode allows you to experience the form exactly as your respondents will see it. This helps you to identify any mistakes, formatting issues, or confusing questions before sharing the form publicly. After your form is ready, the next step is sharing it with your audience. Click the Share button to generate a public link. You can now copy this link and send it through email, social media, website, or messaging platforms. Anyone with access to the link can complete and submit your form. Once people begin submitting your form, you can view all responses inside the results section that can be accessed in the dashboard area. This area allows you to monitor submissions, review answers, and keep track of collected data. Depending on your plan and settings, you may also be able to export responses for further analysis. If you don't want to build forms from scratch, Paperform also provides a large collection of templates. Using templates can significantly speed up your workflow and reduce setup time. These templates are designed for various purposes such as customer feedback, events registration, surveys, applications, bookings, and more. Before we end, here are a few tips for beginners. First, keep your form simple and easy to understand. Second, only ask for information that is necessary. Third, always test your form before sharing it. Fourth, use required fields carefully to avoid frustrating users. And lastly, consider customizing the design to match your brand or project. These small improvements can make a big difference in the overall user experience. And that's it for this Paperform tutorial. We covered how to create a form, add questions, customize the design, preview your work, collect responses, and share your form with others. Thank you for watching. Feel free to use the affiliate links in the description below and see you in the next video.